Hello everyone, this is Lily from Firestone. We are stone product factory in China. We exported marble, granite, countertop, limestone, travertine, onyx, mosaic, and so on. Today, I'm introduce our showroom for you. You can see this is our marble product. They are our most popular material in the market. We have the light imperial, crystal white, and the Italian gray, castle gray. On my right is the Bianco Carrara, newcomer beige, ancient wood, and the dark imperial marble. Marble is usually for the interior flooring tiles, wall tiles, countertop, tabletop, and other interior design product. And the next is our granite product. We have the China spiral white granite, China black granite, Haiti gold granite, and Brazil white rose granite. Granite thickness is very high, so you can use in the exterior wall cladding, flooring tiles, kitchen countertop, and so on. We also have some veneer tiles. You can see his thickness is very thin, only 1 cm, and his material usually is white marble. You can use in the wall tiles, and his price is also very cheap. Next, I want to introduce our countertop product. Our countertop is usually used in the kitchen, bathroom decoration. Its material and seat is custom-made. We also can produce according your CAD design. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you have any comment, please feel free to contact us. Thank you. Bye bye.